we'll guide you through how to zoom PDF in OneNote. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start button on your computer taskbar. Type OneNote into the search field and open the OneNote application from the search results. Once the program launches, open the notebook that contains the PDF you want to view. Navigate to the specific page where the PDF printout has been inserted. Scroll through the page until the PDF becomes visible on your screen. Click anywhere on the page to make sure the page is active and ready for viewing. Next, move your cursor over the PDF printout so you can adjust the zoom level more easily. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then scroll the mouse wheel upward to zoom in on the page. Continue scrolling upward while holding Control until the PDF reaches a zoom level that is comfortable for reading. If the content becomes too large, hold the Control key and scroll the mouse wheel downward to zoom out. As an alternative method, move to the View tab located on the ribbon at the top of the OneNote window. Within the View section, locate the zoom controls that are available for adjusting page magnification. Click the Zoom In option to enlarge the content displayed on the page. Each click will increase the zoom level, making the PDF text and images appear larger and easier to see. If the content becomes too large, click the Zoom Out option to reduce the magnification. Continue adjusting the zoom controls until you reach a comfortable viewing size. As you make changes, observe the PDF on the page and watch how the page view adjusts to the selected zoom level. Take a moment to review the PDF content and confirm that the text, graphics, and other details are easier to read. If necessary, continue adjusting the zoom level until the document is displayed exactly the way you want.